The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Brent in California. Hey, Brent, what's going on?
How you doing, Tom?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
Yes, I am. How about you?
Good, man.
I really appreciate everything you guys do. Everybody on your program, I've been listening to you guys for a little over a year, and I picked you up on the radio initially and listening on my iPhone right now. Everybody on your program, Larry and Steve and, Basil, everybody's solid. So I really appreciate what you guys do.
Oh, man, I really appreciate the feedback, Brent. We like you growling and prowling out here with us. Totally.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you are there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. And every kiss and every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 128, NASDAQ down 9, S&P's up 8.5, gold contract up $9.70, trading at $1,317 an ounce. Silver up 18 cents at $21.82 an ounce. Platinum up $12 at $1,464 an ounce. Copper down a penny at $3.24 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.47, trading out at $94.84 a barrel. Bonds up 2 ticks at 133.03. King dollar down 232 ticks, trading out at 80.55. The euro up 47, trading out at 135, and the yen up 16 at 98.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks, on what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. Cash S&P, folks, your high out there is the 1775.22. We are at the 1769 level. We did 685 million versus 742. Bottom line, I suspect, she's going to try to get into that. She got up into the 1773 area today, missed it by a couple points. She'll go try to tap that baby. Now, Dow Industrials, as one of our tigers just said in the den, it was a beautiful thing. Let me quote it just right. They got the headline number up for Twitter IPO, new Dow high, way to go. There's no doubt. And with the Dow high, bottom line, it's over the high. We're at 15,746. And this is interesting because it was all about Microsoft inside the Dow, folks. And Microsoft did break topside with volume. Microsoft actually did an ABC structure on the way up and finished it off. That's what it actually did. The A point on Microsoft was the 26 area. That was generated on December 7th. The B point is 35.65, so you get approximately 10 points. The C is 31, which gives you, it's got 41 into it. That's the bottom line. But there's no doubt Microsoft went topside, had the juice behind it. Our man, Mr. David White's going to be on with me tomorrow. I'm sure we're going to be talking about Xbox because, number one, like folks that like Apple, well, how David is. David is the Microsoft guy, and he's definitely an Xbox guy. And he's been telling us that the Xbox evidently was going to be a huge hit, and it looks like someone else. I don't know if the numbers are out or Xbox is out yet, but we'll find that out tomorrow because he's going to be on tomorrow afternoon. WFM, Whole Foods. Let's take a look at Whole Foods. Whole Foods closed at 64. It's trading at 59 right now. And at 59, she's going to break that lower swing point out here. And Whole Foods wants to basically run down to, this is interesting. So the last time with volume was 58. We'll see how it comes into that level. Now let's go over to the gold market. We take a look at gold. Okay, we had gold out here today is this. Gold trades up $9, does 89,000 contracts. Now this is where, it's not going to make it, folks. It's not that I don't like it, okay? Because my take is that gold's going to go to 1273. What I want to see is it go to the 1273 right now. The last thing I want to see is a sideways movement for 2 weeks. And see, what happens is this. We had the first move down. Well, first, if we bring gold all the way back, you had to move off the low in June 2013. Beautiful move, A to B equals C to D, did everything it should do, goes up with volume. Pulls back, has a deep retracement with lighter volume, takes off again with strength. Comes back, has a little volume on the way back. That first leg down, the 29th to 2nd of November had some volume. We want to see this. I want to see this thing come right back in here right now. Friday would be a great day for it to come back in here. Wide price spread, not volume. That's fast price destruction. Without it, that'd be a beautiful thing. Bonds. Let's go to the bond market. We take a look at bonds. What we have with bonds is this. Bonds today got into the low of yesterday. Dramatically lighter volume, which we needed. It's dramatically lighter volume. It's like 30% lighter volume. She's going to have to be building some cars. What Bond's going to need right now is a wide price spread, accelerated volume, going topside. That's the 30-year. The 10-year, we take a look at the 10-year. This is what we have with the 10-year. Oh, interesting. Yeah, the 10-year wants to move, man. So the 10-year is at 126.28. She did 964,000 contracts today, and it looks like the 10-year is going to move before the 30. That's how this is set up right now. Dollar index. We go take a look at King Dollar. King Dollar is acting correctly. What King Dollar did out here today is this. She backed down 237 ticks. She's at 80.55, and it looks like the dollar index is setting up for another A to B equals C to D topside. It's had volume off the bottom. It was a false breakdown sound. Went under those lows, had dramatically lighter volume. Come off those lows. Going topside, we're at 80.55. That little baby wants to run up to the 83 to 85 area. Qualcomm, let's go take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm closed out here at 69.74. That is trading at 66 right now. And let's see what they say number-wise. So number-wise on Qualcomm goes like this. The estimate was $1.08. They took $1.05. That's the bottom line. Revenue, they're shot on revenue big time. They were shot on revenue by 10% almost. 8%. 6.9 billion, they took in 6.3. So let's see where that Qualcomm is shaking out right now. So $3, 66.70. So what she's going to do, she's going to go back to her lowest swing point. And you can see what you have here. You had a high out here that was established September 10th. Bottom line, it's been going sideways from then. She's going to back down. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla, folks, do not touch Tesla. Tesla is a monster ABC down. She comes down $25 today, does 31 million shares, breaks the swing point. The swing point only at 14 million. Tesla has her eye right now on this 129 to 131 area. I suspect what you're going to see is that's going to also get broken. And what this is going to be a deep retracement on Tesla. What Tesla just did, just so you can understand something, in, 6 hours, what Tesla just did is basically give back everything from August 23rd. That's how it's kind of set up. And that's pretty intense, folks. So what you're going to see here is that, this little baby is going to do a deep retracement. I suspect it's going to be very deep. Whole Foods, let me give you the number on Whole Foods out here. So Whole Foods, the estimate was 31 cents. They took in 32. So that number was higher. They see sales in fiscal year 2014, they see them up 11 to 13. So that's pulling back. They had seen them up 12 to 14%. Now they're pulling that back. The comp sales, let's see. Bottom line, 64.57. You're trading at 58, so she's down $8. And she's going to have some problems here. Let's bring this back a little. So take this back a couple of years. Okay, so that's okay. So Whole Foods, folks, is making around $51. And this is about as clean as you get. If you look at this chart with Whole Foods, you broke topside at the 51. Now watch this. Hey, we got to do this because this is an ABC finishing. A point on this was 30. The B point was 49, so it's $19. The C, man, you got to look at this, folks, so you can understand that even when you do ABC structures on the way up or the way down, they do something other than continue. So watch this. The price projection was $59, okay? The stock goes up to 65. And if you stay in stocks after they finish it, it's a disaster. And bottom line, this stock now is going to run all the way back to 51. It did everything it should have done. Volume on the way up, lighter volume on the way down. Broke the B point, broke it with volume. Did the expansion. As it was doing the expansion, and this was always, the straight line moves, folks. A to B equals C to D. You can imagine, at the end of that move, what happens? They're tired. And they're tired whether they're going up or down. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. We had the Dow finish at new highs, up 128. NASDAQ down 7.9. Small caps are down also, folks. We'll be right back.